What is Notion? Notion is a productivity platform that is about to revolutionize your way of working the way that Google Workspace did to Microsoft Office. Why? Because this platform allows you to do everything in one page and allows you to connect the work you're doing and relate those things to each other in ways that never been before. And you're able to do it all in the most intuitive interface I've ever found in my 10 years of marketing and product marketing. My experience is in operations, launches, and creativity and strategy. This platform is so powerful and my experience is so vast that I want to show you how we're going to make it so that you never lose momentum in your business again. You're able to find everything in your life in less than 1 minute, and you're able to create a strategy based off of an awareness of both the forest and the trees. Let's get after it. So when you're talking about connecting ideas, this is going to be what you're going to put on your spreadsheets when you're doing project management, right? You're going to be putting in the different projects you're working on, prioritizing them, adding them to the different teams, attaching files, and more. That might remind you of something like Asana or Trello. Now the ante is going to be up because you can connect your task tracker to your project management tracker and then sort the tasks and the projects using the drop down in less than a couple of clicks. And now, when you're in this task, you're able to get the context of the project, the priority, etc., all in one. This is a simple project tracker dashboard. When we want to do something more robust, like in one of my templates, this is my Para Work Planner, you're able to use this same concept to do so much more. You can use it to track habits. So every day you can check off the things you do and keep track of streaks. You can use the board view to see all of the stages that your tasks are going through. Use the calendar view to see them as a calendar, and then group them into urgency and importance so that you can prioritize the work you're doing daily. On your projects, that same idea, because of the referencing, you're able to see all of the to-dos, contacts, vendors that you might have hired to help you with the project and resources on the project dashboard filtered to those items that have been connected to this project because of what you just saw before, relations and relationships. This allows you to hold on to all of the things that are going on this week. So it's a little empty just because there isn't something going on this week. But if I change the date to, there you go, it pops up, right? And then this way, you're able to focus on what matters from project to project. Your invoices, anything that's been sent, you'll see the tallies accrue, the orders that you do create. You can group them to the project that you are working on, and you are able to group them for the area that they're focused in. And in the same connected workspace, see your content calendar for your work. The content calendar is connected. Work has never been this intuitive. And I, as a Notion expert and ambassador, am able to code these so that you get the accurate formulas for these. And there's more. Now you have, in the same connected workspace, a place to keep track of your business ideas, for example. Framework the way that you put in the information and capture it so that you can make sure you've thought things through. what's the offer, but what's also the opportunity, and what's the observation that you're creating this opportunity from. Um, and so much more. You can manage projects, you can manage knowledge, you can manage collaboration. I've created so many templates. One of them is a client portal for the different tasks that you're, for example, in this use case, it's a coaching situation, a coaching relationship. So the actions that the coachee has decided to take on, the maybe a sweet welcome note with a signature, um, an introduction or onboarding overview for you to break out the stages and the action items for each thing that is done to onboard your customers or your clients, the invoices that have been sent, their personal breakout of their tasks and their priorities, the goals that are associated with both of them, and then the resources that you wanted to share with them as customers, as well as a button for submitting feedback. All of this can be customized to your branding and your imagery, but the beauty of it is that now more than ever before, because of Notion, you're able to go faster, share more things with context, and create an immersive experience branded to your business. You're basically creating your own software. And anything that is not in Notion outright, most of those apps are able to connect to Notion using integrations. That is going to be your ultimate connected workspace. Now you'll be able to move faster, think more clearly with more context and more ability to truly come up with a strategy that is going to work for the way you work, see your assets, and take action like never before. And I'm going to be your partner in doing that. I'm going to help you with the frameworks and the strategies to make sure that you're able to truly ideate and stay creative as you go to market, but also keep everything tight and together in terms of your operations so it's easy for you to pick up where you left off from action item to action item, even when you're collaborating with a larger team. That is Notion. And the best part is that Notion is free to sign up. You can start working on your connected workspace below using my affiliate link, sign up, browse through my library of templates that I've already created to help you get an idea of some of the use cases. If you want personalized support, training, training for you and your team, customization for your unique workspace needs, set up a discovery call with me. We'll go through that and your strategy to go to market, align your business workspace to that so that everybody's on the same page about what matters and where we're going, and have a roadmap to roll that out all within 30 minutes. So sign up for the discovery call or sign up for Notion to just start getting your feet wet. Either way, I cannot wait to show you the power of this platform. So also subscribe for more, and happy organizing.